So welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we will gonna learn what is a record and what is the role of record in our Salesforce org. So if we have to take an example, we created an object student. Okay, so when we are creating a record, we have to enter some information. We give some information like student name, roll number, maybe the name you can take like Rahul Sharma, and roll number you can take 101. And for the email, you have to write some email. Okay, whenever you fill that information and click on save, that complete set of information represents one record. Okay, simply remember that a object is a table, a field is a column, and a record is one row of the data. That is how you have to differentiate what is an object, what is a field, and what is a record. Okay, let me show you in my org also. So currently I'm in my org where I have an object student, and in that I have multiple fields. Like let me click on new, and you can see I have student name field, and then I have roll number field, and then I have email field here. So what you need to do, you need to fill that information first. So let's fill this information. Let me give some name here. Let me take Ankit, and here in the roll number, let's take some roll number. Like roll number can be in alphabetical order two or maybe in number two. So let's take 5213 and something like TY and 54. Okay, something like that. We take the roll number, and then we take some email like ankit@gmail.com. Don't mind the spellings. Okay, now let's save this information. And so you can see I have this information now. So I have this information, and this information is a record. When you directly click on the object, and you see I have multiple rows here. Let me open all records, and you can see I have multiple rows here. I have Ankit, I have Imanshu, I have Priya, and I have Sachin. I have multiple rows here. These multiple rows are the records. That means I have four records here for now. So if I have to open a record, like I have created this one for now, let me open this one. I have opened this record now. So you can see I have opened a record, and this record has some information. It has a name, it has a roll number, it has an email, it has a owner, it has a field called created by, it has a field called last modified by. So you can see the hierarchy now. We have an object. In object we have some fields, and whenever you add some information through the new button, that information becomes a record. So that's how you can define a record. So you now you understood what is a record in our Salesforce org, how to create a record, and also you can edit the record too. Okay, so let me open one of them. See, I have opened this. You can edit the information here now. So let's suppose you have the name which you have written wrong here. So let me write here Himanshu Singh 2. Let me say 2, and then you can just save it, and you can see the information is edited. So that means you can also you can create a record, you can edit a record, and you can also delete a record too. So whenever you want to delete a record, you just need to go to that record, and you can delete it from here. You can see there is a delete button here, and you can delete it from here. You can also delete it from like by going inside of the record and just clicking on this one, and you might be able to see the delete button here, and you can delete it from here too, and the record has been deleted from inside too. So that's how you can delete a record. You can also restore a record. Suppose you have a record, you have created it, and due to some reason you have deleted it. But after some time, you thought, oh, I have deleted it by mistake. I need that record back. So what can you do for that? You can go to the recycle bin. Here is a recycle bin. You can just go to the recycle bin, and you can see the records we have deleted here. You can just click on the record, and you can restore it from here. So I have restored the record now. So let me go back to my object, and you can see the record has been restored. So what we have learned in this video is what is a record, how to create a record, how to edit a record, and how you can delete a record, and then lastly how you can restore a deleted record using recycle bin. So I hope you understood it all. And in the next video, we will learn about tabs in Salesforce. Okay. And we will understood how they help users easily to access objects and records. So thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson.